Hey y'all, testing out this baddie. Loving the screen, loving to be able to see, what the heck, loving being able to see the screen. I got my Dr. Pepper right here. We just played from some Jackbox. It is currently the last day of February. What the heck, I'm getting nervous. Last day of February 2025.
That was like going to Blomino's.
Like, literally.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Is that too funny to say Blomino's? Remember when I was a kid, I used to always say Blomino's?
This is all we have to do. It's like the whole cabinet with props. Chandelier and sconces. Sconces on the...
big things happening.
That one.
Just vote.
Just vote. What did on that?
I know I'm going to be on just vote.
So it's your turn, Nebby.
Always lie, but I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
Stop. I want to guess. I don't want to play about it. I don't want to, risk anything. I want that sure. I was like, you don't know Silver Lake? I'm like, what's Silver Lake? Goodbye tattoo. I don't know. Once I find something that just hits the spot, I'm not going anywhere else.
Do you eat pho?
I've never had.
Morning. Seriously, a gorgeous day, y'all. I don't know how much storage. Oh, shoot. Neighbors. Question of the day: can I bring binoculars to MetLife? Let me know, chat. Currently waiting. He's waiting for our dad to get back from Home Depot so they can work on the set. I'm waiting for Eden to pick me up and we're gonna go get smoothies and visit Erin at work. Whoa. This is not a coherent vlog. I'm just filming clips. Okay, let me just show the scenery. Hi. Feel this weather. Oh my lord, I am so happy. But tomorrow it's gonna be freezing. Great. Erin at work. Check.
Oh, it's not dead.
I think we all sing. Hi.
Dad at the parade. It's always
We just saw the sidewalk rule establish IRL. That's crazy. Like, chivalry isn't dead, y'all. Oh, at this.
What are you doing? You videotaping this?
Wow.
Retired crackhead.
Hey! On the way to the parade.
Happy. Okay, let's go. Oh! Hi, Vlad!